Hello, and welcome to this November bullet journal calendar with a dog and fall leaf theme. And I used Happy Planner notebook and Happy Planner stickers and little doodles to create a little bit of multimedia illustrations to cheer me up and cheer you up if you've had a rough day, and also just to keep me organized throughout the month. I've been super busy and I was really having a lot of fun with some more intricate bullet journals, but I haven't had as much time, and so I've had a lot of fun just sort of thinking about how to mix some stickers in with some doodles, and then also some things that are really tricky to draw, like maybe dogs and cats. And this really allowed me to have some fun and do some drawing, but also have things turn out sort of a more expected way, since sometimes when I draw, it doesn't turn out quite like I hope. Speaking of which, you may see that I am doing some erasing even though I am using a ballpoint pen, and that's for a couple different reasons. The erasing is just because I prefer to fix something up, but I'm using the ballpoint Frixion pens because they do erase, and also because these Happy Planner pages are really nice, but they're not quite thick enough for me to use markers on them without it bleeding through. So the rolling ball pen is a much nicer choice for me at this time. Another thing that was a little tricky for me is with the stickers, I was having a hard time pulling them off, and then also my fingers did not seem to put them where they belong. So I have been using the tweezers to both pull off and to place the stickers, and that has been really helpful. So thank you to all of you amazing internet people who have been doing the planners that I enjoy and using the tweezers. That really helped me out because I said, what am I going to do? And realized that's what so many of you have been doing. Thank you. And I was actually thinking about trying some gel pens maybe on my next planner or on the one after that. And if you want to let me know in the comments if you have any secrets to the best pens to use in a Happy Planner notebook, I would appreciate it. And if you appreciate this content and you want to receive more or make sure other people have a chance to see some, if you give me a like and maybe even subscribe, that would really be helpful to me as a channel to get things out there and also to others. So here is the final wrap up and what it looked like when it was all done. This actually took me about the same amount of time as if I were to draw multiple doodles. No, I should say trace multiple doodles, because often I'll just sit around in front of the TV or talking with some friends and draw the doodles, and then I'll just trace under the camera. So it saved me that whole drawing initial step. Have a great day. I appreciate you. Bye.